In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Discord to Sidebar in Opera GX. Opera GX includes a variety of built-in features designed to make multitasking easier, and one of the most useful is its customizable sidebar. By adding Discord to the sidebar, you can quickly access your conversations, servers, and notifications without having to switch between multiple windows. This can save time and make it much more convenient to stay connected while browsing the web, working, or playing games. To get started, open the Opera GX browser on your computer. Once the browser has fully opened, take a look at the left side of the window where the sidebar is located. If you don't already see Discord there, don't worry, because you'll be able to add it in just a few moments. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the sidebar and click on the three dots. This button opens the sidebar setup menu, where you can customize which tools, messengers, and shortcuts appear in the sidebar. Opera GX offers a wide range of built-in options, making it easy to personalize the browser according to your preferences. After opening the sidebar setup menu, you'll see several available controls. Continue scrolling until you reach the Messengers section. If you don't immediately see all of the available messaging apps, click on Show More to expand the complete list of supported messengers. Once the full list appears, locate Discord. Next to it, you'll see a small toggle or selection button. Simply click it to enable Discord. As soon as you do, the Discord icon will immediately appear in the Opera GX sidebar, making it easily accessible whenever you need it. Now that Discord has been added, click on the Discord icon in the sidebar. The first time you open it, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Discord account before you can begin using it. After you've successfully signed in, you'll be able to access your messages, servers, and notifications directly from the sidebar without leaving your current browser tab. Keeping Discord in the Opera GX sidebar is a convenient way to stay in touch with friends and communities while continuing to browse the internet. Since it's built directly into the browser, you can quickly open or minimize it whenever you need, helping you stay productive without constantly switching between separate windows. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can add Discord to the Opera GX sidebar and have quick access to your account whenever you're using the browser. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,